Hello guys, in previous video we assigned the loads and materials and designs also was completed. Now we can see the again we should see analyze the print, add, close, analyze. Once we get the 0 errors, go for the post processing mode. In the post processing mode, we can see in the reflections, whole reflection on the building structure. We can see in the reflections. Okay, we get the 0 errors and go to the post processing mode. Click on done option here and apply all and OK. Here we can see in the animation. Here we can see the earthquake, how is going on earthquake X direction, Z direction, wind load, this is the dead load, this is the live load. Okay, now plate animation we can see here, maximum absolute, apply, okay. You can see here maximum absolute. Okay, and next beam bending moment, we can see this is the axial force of the structure. Shear force in y direction. Okay, and shear force in z direction. Okay, and this is torsion. Okay, torsion was completed here. Next, bending movement in y direction. is the sets. We can see the bending moment, beam stresses like this. We can see here. This is the beam stresses. See here. Okay. Moving in Z direction, bending moment in Z direction. You can see. Here, bending moment in Z direction. The blue lines are available. This is the bending moment in Y direction, and this is the red lines was bending moment in Z direction. Okay. Okay. We completed the post-processing node was completed. Now go to the foundation design. In foundation design, we should including all floors and run start foundation. We will check the how many foundations are available for these sections, footing sizes and beam size we can calculate for in this sheet. Okay, we get hit here, and now here we can see here detailing and schedule drawing we can see in this section, and for foundation which we foundations how many isolating footings footings are available for this section we can see, and calculate location also we can see here, and beam column to column sizes also we can see in GA drawing, and calculation sheet also we can calculate the footing size, number of footings in display, and will come in the total calculation will be in this provided in this schedule. So further go for the load factors and click on it, and general load combination we should keep as Indian standard, and generate the load combination. In the left side we can see the some reflections or some tables are taken on this in the right side table. Okay, click on OK. Again we should take it. Here we can see the loads are taking for these sections. Okay, and close it. The loads generate load combination was completed. Now go for the job setup here. Click on job setup and create a job here. Should give the name modify office building, and this is US is the no you converted into Indian standard, and English means SI unit. Just including all cases here and create a job here. Okay, next isolating footing jobs are available. Click on it, and design parameters are available, and click it and design and click on S. It will be calculating the total schedule what we given the previous in the start. We can convert it this structure. We will wait for the until the calculation sheet was completed. Okay guys, we get the design of number of footings here. How many footings are available you can see here. 183 design footings are available for this section. Okay. Here we can see here elevation part, total plan and footing geometry. We can see here input values and column dimensions and design parameters. We can see here the soil type and which type of soil we can selected in previous video. We can calculate. This is the design part. Reinforcement calculation. This is bottom reinforcement calculation, top reinforcement design here, and then detailing we can see here. This is the detailing. Okay. This is a part of detailing. Schedule. This is the These are how many footings are available for this section. You can see here. This is the footing changes. Where is the footing located for this section? You can see here. This is the footing number, foundation footing number, and this is the size of the footing number of columns here. You can see. Okay. That's it, friends. Thank you.